Yo guys, this is Hot Top Trader here. So today I want to talk about this BBMA Omar Ali strategy. Some of you have actually asked me about this strategy, and I'm trying to simplify this strategy, okay, because this is a very easy, to be honest, it's very easy to understand, okay. It's not that difficult, okay. I assume that you have probably understand all the basics already, okay. What I'm going to do here is to actually just teach you how to actually trade it profitably, okay. When I just got started, I actually got confused, with all the extreme MHB, all that kind of stuff, a lot of confusion, okay. I understand. That's why in this video, I'm just trying to clarify, okay, all these things with you, so you don't get confused, so you know how to trade, okay. Actually, BBMA is very easy strategy if you really understand, how to trade it, okay. So as you probably have known that we have the formula, re-entry, momentum, we start with extreme, okay, and then TB wajib, and then MHB, and then Canara Kuko, and then after that re-entry, then momentum, then re-entry, all this kind of stuff. So I don't really want to go through all that because to me it's not that important. The formula is just for you to actually understand the market structures, okay. But the most important thing is you need to understand how to read the trend, okay. You need to know whether the trend is up or down, okay, and then using BBMA to actually to confirm your market direction, okay. Know when to cut your losses and know when to hold your trades, okay. This is the most important element that will actually decide whether you are actually making money or not in the market, okay. So that is the principle, okay. I think the reason why I make money is because of of my belief, how I actually trade the market, okay. You hold your winning trades, okay, and you cut your losing trades, shots, okay. So other than that, okay, there's really nothing much that you need to do, okay. So and also, yeah, of course, for the entry, okay, it is quite easy, okay. I think when I just got started, I actually got confused with this REM, REE, and then RRE, all this kind of stuff, okay. Re-entry, extreme, all this kind of it is confusing, okay. Don't just focus on all that. I think it's not so important. I think the maximum time frame that you should use actually actually two time frames. The first time frame is for you to decide the trend, okay. The second time frame is for you to decide your entry, okay. So now I'm talking about your first steps, okay, which is your directions, okay. So once you confirm your directions, what you do? So you enter your position, okay. So that's why I say that's why I write here, the entry condition for first that is your first step, okay, which is the daily trend. Is it up or down, okay? Is it up or down, okay? So you need to know whether the trend is up or down right now. In the daily example, if you are trading daily, so the daily time frame is up or down, okay. And then after that, we have to decide, okay, whether on hash 4, okay, when the price reach there, so what we do is we enter straight away when in the hash 4 when the price touch EMA 50, okay. So there are two situations here. First is when the EMA 50, when the price touch EMA 50 and then drop, okay. The second condition is when EMA 50 has been broken, and then it creates this fake momentum, and then after that it drops, okay. So there are two scenarios that is going to happen, okay, on hash 4, okay. Other thing that you can actually do to improve basically to improve your probability, is to actually add in RSI and then support resistance. Okay, so this is the condition that we enter. Okay, so we enter when price touch this EMA 50. I don't know how many times that you actually see this on your screen, but I have seen it many times already. Okay, so once we decide that the market is overall in daily time frame is down, and then this is H4. So in H4, when price reach this EMA 50, what I want to do is we enter sell. Okay, here also the same thing, repeat again. Okay, sell here and then we sell here, so market drops after that. So the second scenario is that so price shoot up, so you sell here and then price shoot up. Okay, so what happens is that you cut your losses, then after that price shoot up again, and then later on drop. Okay, break the EMA 50, and that is when you enter again. Okay, so that happens also all the time. Okay, so create this fake momentum. Okay, telling that price want to go up, but actually it's fake. Okay, fake move up and then after that it drops. Okay, there's two conditions, there's two things that are going to happen in the market. Okay, so the next thing that we have to know is when to cut our losses. Okay, so when you enter say an EMA 50 and then you see price broken up. Okay, that's when you cut your losses. Okay, so when you see momentum, you cut your loss. Okay, cut loss and momentum. Okay, so very easy to understand. So let's go to charts. Okay, so this is what happened in the market like all the time. Like this is where you enter. So when price shoot up here, okay, shoot up from here, okay, and then you sell. Okay, so price reject, there's no momentum. Okay, as you can see here, there's no momentum. Okay, no momentum. Okay, and then it drops. Okay, yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. So on daily time frame, you know that, right? Price shoot down, right, from here to here. Okay, it's downtrend. Okay, so we sell only, we look for sell. Okay, so we look for sell. See price come up here. Okay, reject, this is where we sell. Okay, so yeah, sometimes you see price shoot up and then create this momentum, you cut loss and then price drop again here, then you sell again, then price drop. Okay, so if you just it's very important not to layer. Okay, so now I'm doing live trade. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can actually trade. Okay, this strategy. Okay, so right now price is not reaching EMA. Okay, now price is reaching EMA 50, right? So we sell. Okay, I told you we sell. Trend is down. Step 1, we decide that the trend is down. Step 2, price now touching the EMA 50. Okay, you can wait for rejection. Okay, or support resistance here. See, you got support resistance here, support resistance here. Okay, so we sell. Okay, we don't care about the candle. Okay, so price shoot up. Okay, resist momentum. Okay, you can cut your loss. Okay, you want to cut your loss, cut. Okay, so now the price coming down, no, go up again. Okay, drop, so we sell back again. Okay, so you see, momentum. Okay, we cut, then we cut our losses. Yeah, I see price shoot up. It's very important to actually cut your losses. Okay, if you don't cut your loss, okay, this is what will happen. You shoot up. Okay, even if it is the price will come back down eventually. You don't know what is going to happen in the market. Sometimes price don't come back. So this is this is our EMA 50 here. Okay, so you can sell here. If you want to. Okay, if price drop, then yeah, see it drops already. Drop a little bit. If there's momentum here, then we have to cut our losses. Okay, drop. So they wait for a bit. Okay, yeah, they drop. No. Okay, price drop already. Okay, momentum, then we cut our loss. Okay, so what is going to happen right now, right? Price has actually changed already. So from here, this uptrend. Okay, because there's new structure already, new structure. So you see new structure here. Okay, in no time you see new structure. Okay, so price. So what is going to happen is that we're going to buy. Okay, here, right? Yeah, we can buy here. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. You can buy here also. Here, when price starts this EMA 50 and reject, you can buy here, or you can buy here as well. It's the same. Okay, so make sure you buy. Just buy. Okay. So you see price shoot up, right? Okay, So what you're gonna do, you choose your, you can move to break even, or you can take some profits. Okay, that's up to you. You know, you can, yeah, like just take one profit. Okay, this one is really see whether, you know, how far price can actually go. We don't know. Okay, so we know how far price can go, right? So just leave. Okay, so now see price coming down already. You can take some profit. Okay, it's not here. Okay, EMA 50. You can, okay, like I say here, you can buy if you want. Okay, but you see drop, creating momentum, right? Okay, cut our loss. Okay, cut loss in my mind. Okay, yeah, drop again. See, so yeah, I see this is what is happening, right? See price go up here and then drop. We know that in daily chart it is downtrend, right? Downtrend. Okay, so this is like a daily re-entry. Okay, daily re-entry, creating this fake momentum and drop. Okay, so right now we want to sell. Okay, so wait for price to come back to this level. Okay, can you come back? Okay, let's sell. Okay, let's sell. See whether price will drop. Okay, drop. Okay, drop. Okay, price now here again, you sell again. Okay, now drop. Yeah, so this is what we call re-entry. Okay, so this is BBMA. Okay, take some profits. Yeah, price come back down, come back up again here. Okay, we sell again. You can take short profit. You don't need to hold like me. You know, you can take profit here. You know, so let's take profit there. Yeah, I don't know whether price will go there. Yeah, so this is how you trade BBMA. Okay, so what you need to understand is that there are two conditions that I show you really just now. Okay, it happens. So this is condition 2. Okay, price shoot up, break this EMA 50, shoot up, creating this fake momentum, then suddenly drop. So when you drop here, when you come back up here, like just now what I show you, I enter here. Okay, I enter here. Okay, so or okay, when price going up and down like here. Okay, like this one, like this when this is ZLL. Okay, ZL. What I don't remember already. Okay, zone 0 loss. Okay, this is where you enter. Okay, so there's only two conditions. Okay, when price shoot up, creating fake momentum, then drop. Okay, so what you need to do actually is to decide whether this is a buy or sell market. Okay, because then it's very important. Because if you're trading against the trend, most likely you will lose more than you win. Okay, and the risk reward might not be that great. Okay, so that's why, you know, most like, you know, most likely, you know, when price is here, you know, you just compare, you know, the leg here. You know, leg here, this is first push down. You know, if you draw this Fibonacci, you see that this is 50%, you know, retracement from this down push here. So that's why, you know, I decided this is a downtrend. You know, there are multiple ways to actually look at it. Okay, you can even look at higher time frame, see whether, you know, it is up or down. You know, higher time frame here, this downtrend here like this. Okay, so we know it's downtrend. Okay, so so you need to verify yourself. Okay, so once you know it's downtrend, then you sell. Okay, it is not that complicated. Okay, so that's what I want to share for this week. Okay, because this is how I trade BBMA. I hope that this clarify, you know, most of your questions. Okay, because most important thing in BBMA is actually cut your losses. Okay, it's really about cutting losses. Okay, so if you cut your losses early and then make sure that you protect your account, you can always make back all the losses. Okay, because you see all this re-entry here, it always give, you know, this is always very good. You know, always will give you a good opportunity to enter. So once price reach this EMA 15 H4, okay, using 2 time frame, you just blindly enter. You can just push sell button. Okay, do not need to wait for any If you want, you could, but then you can wait for RSI and this kind of stuff. Otherwise, you just like me, you know, you just sell and then put the stop loss above this here, you know, put stop loss here. That's why I'm using 200 as well, because 200 is acting as a support reason for me. So when I enter here, okay, when I enter here, so this is my stop loss. Okay, so when I enter here, okay, so I hope that this is helpful to you, and then I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye bye.